Yo, we out here on a mountain. Just chilling on a mountain, eating jerky. Grr. Completely forgot as we're going hiking that I needed to record a vlog because I've been struggling for content. I feel like this is perfect. But I'm here with Rachel. You guys have met her. And I want to introduce you guys to one of my best friends, my mentor. When they talk about hanging out with people you want to be like, this is the motherfucker right here. This is motherfucking OG Big Daddy Dick Tav, baby. Motherfucker teaches me how to be a man. So we're gonna record some shit here, I guess, you know? So we'll see you in a bit.
Walking down these stairs. Look at this. We just got to the waterfall, guys. Look at how beautiful it is. It's so beautiful. Mira, papi, that looking nice. Mira eso. Wow. I love America. My man over here risked his life to do the jailhouse pose on the rock. I love it. I respect it, buddy. I love it.
Hey guys, welcome to Waterfall Talk. One thing I want to talk about is the song Don't Go Chasing Waterfalls. When I was a kid, I thought it was Don't Go Jason Waterfalls. I thought they were trying to prevent this guy Jason Waterfalls from leaving his town. But it's Chasing Waterfalls. So just thought if you still think it's Jason Waterfalls, it's Chasing Waterfalls. Just stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. That's it for Waterfall Talk, guys. Hey girl, what's up? What's up, girl? You trying to hit this waterfall with me, girl? Come on, yo, hit this waterfall with me. Hit this waterfall with a real motherfucker like me, girl.
Go walk out there.
You ain't ready for me.
Why is it so far away?
Oh, it was great. It was a great reset. I mean, I don't really do shit like that, but I'm gonna start doing more shit like that, if you know what I mean. Is that clear?
No.
Yeah, it was good. Saw nature. I mean, you're pumping it up there, man. I can see why hiking has been so popular. So, definitely recommend hiking. Feels like a little restart. It's great. You know?
Look at all the boxes.
That's because I be packing it up, baby. That's what I do. I'm out here just fucking. That's what I do.
What's that even mean?
It doesn't need to mean anything. It's just something you just feel inside of you.
You still never told me. Oh yeah, you told me about the soup.
The what?
The soup. What your favorite soup was?
My favorite soup is oxtail soup.
We just had Dario. It was so good. Their tomato soup is real nice. What do you think about their food?
I mean, it was good. It's like an upscale Dairy Queen.
Much better than Dairy Queen.
Yeah, that's why I said upscale Dairy Queen. So that's what that means.
It's not even closely related to Dairy Queen.
It's an upscale Dairy Queen. It's called Dairy O. Like, just off the name alone.
D-A-I-R-I.
-O. It's Dairy O.
No relation to Dairy Queen.
No relation to Dairy
Or
Queen.
DQ.
Yeah, this is in the dairy family though. Yeah, but that shit was popping. Where'd we go? It was we went to Stone Mountain. It's like almost like 3 hours, 3.5. No, 2 hours and 45 minutes from where we live. We drove to Taft's house, who you met earlier in the video. Yeah, I fucked the waterfall. I mean, who could say they did that? You saw me humping. You saw me humping into the thing. So I fucked the waterfall this week. And what'd you guys do? Put down in the comments what you guys did, and remember to subscribe, rate, review, and fucking share the
How
fucking
many
shit.
times does he say that?
I do say that a lot because, guys, we got to keep this thing growing.
Do it.
It's that simple.
My question is, does oxtail soup exist? So I asked Freddie what his favorite soup was, and he said oxtail soup. And I said, where do you get oxtail soup? And he said, I don't know if it exists.
I've never
How
had it.
can that be your favorite
The
soup?
The oxtail soup theory, I feel like that would be good soup, and I do think maybe it exists somewhere. It kind of comes in like a soupy mixture, but you can't.
Yeah, but
really,
maybe that's the point of the oxtail. It's not soup.
I bet you there's
How can you
oxtail
say
soup.
it's your favorite? You've never tried it.
The idea of it, you just know.
That's your favorite
have to-
idea of soup, not your favorite soup.
I didn't have to try sex. I just knew that shit was gonna be something I really, really liked. Before I even did it, I was like, that I want to do that. I can tell.
Yeah, that's because and you watch it, you get it, and it's a natural thing.
Oxtail soup's natural as fuck. Talk to any Dominican or Jamaican.
How can you? Yes, but you can't say it's your favorite.
I can say whatever I want.
That's true. You can say whatever.
I can, yeah. So now my favorite soup that I've actually tried.
No one wants to hear that because you got bullshit soup in your dream scenario.
I would do imagine that bullshit soup, but it was.
You have a bullshit soup in your dream scenario.
I'm
No one
constant-
cares about your real life scenario.
Somebody let me know if oxtail soup exists, all right?
It doesn't exist.
Doesn't even matter.
It probably does exist.
Oxtail's
It
my
is
favorite.
probably really
Oxtail's my
good.
favorite meat. Meat. Why did I say meat? Oxtail's my favorite meat.
Why'd you do that? That's not.
This is like a southern guy.
I don't think that's.
He's
I don't
just
think that's-
kind of coming in here. He's letting you fucking know that
think
fucking
that's-
pick you up if he needs to.
Why do you look like a fucking shrimp?
Because I live in a poor area of the South and healthcare is not very well funded out here.
So you got a
So
shrimp?
I got a little bit of scoliosis in my back. So
How about
that's
shrimp soup?
shrimp soup's good, but it gives me back. It reminds me of my spine, so I don't really eat it that much, you know.
Shrimp soup is good.
Yeah. That was my southern character. His name was Daryl O.
That's only because we talked about Dairy O earlier. It's not
Damn,
original.
babe, you're so smart.
It's not original. So what's your real life favorite soup? One that you've actually tried. Not one that you... Shit, I just opened the door. Not one that you want to try.
I told you. Oh yeah, it's in the Dominican Republic. It's either called the sancocho or a sopao, one of those two.
Ooh, sopao
but there's
sounds
like
good.
intestines and shit in there.
That took a hard left.
Yeah, there's like intestines in there, and it's really good. And we throw a bunch of like.
Intestines or like the lining or like the outside of it? How do you get the poop out?
Oh, I don't know. It's open. Like they I think they clean it out before they give it to you. Yeah, so it's that soup, and you throw rice in it. It's fucking
Is it chewy?
delicious. It's chewy, but it's not like gross. It's like a good.
It's terrifying. Is it long?
No, it's cut into like manageable pieces. It's not like a whole intestine in the thing.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot.
Yeah, somebody let me know. I think it's a sancocho. I know I got a
It
bunch
sounds
of
good, though.
Dominican followers, so this is good. We got, yeah.
With the rice.
Yeah, and if you have a recipe, put the link in the comments so some of these white people could try a fucking sancocho.
Or just come make it for him. I'm not gonna make I'm not gonna cut.
Yes, that's another thing too, guys.
An
is
intestine.
Rachel is allowing me to have a side chick that makes
No,
me
I
soup.
am not. Nah, no.
That's what you just said. You said it on
Yeah,
camera.
you can come make it for
You
him.
said come. That's
that's not that's not at all.
You need to be clear on this vlog because people are gonna start showing up. Because I'm a catch. All right, and they're gonna start showing up, trying to be like, oh, I want to have soup and sleep with their fucking future husband.
How much are they gonna pay us?
Whoa! She's trying to pimp me out. This is not
just
right.
Just kidding. No one is sleeping with you.
Why did you wink?
No, I didn't wink.
I thought you winked.
I didn't wink. You're being mean.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I love you.
Being mean.
I
love having a side chick.
No side
chick. A side chick can only cook soup. Fully clothed.
So it's only a soup side chick, no naked
and she has
stuff.
to make me tomato soup too.
Okay, so we're looking for a side chick to make us soup.
It can be a guy too. I'm down with that.
Nah, no guys.
I'm good with it.
Nah, no
I
guys.
am.
You're good. No
I'm
guys.
good
Guys can't make soup as good as women.
That's sexist.
Yeah, it is. Guys are trash at making soup. Women make better soup.
How do you know? Maybe
Guys
guys
cook everything else better, but women make better soup.
You girl just cook the meat so good. Such a dude thing to say.
Because soups are warm and nurturing, and they heal.
Geez.
Soups have healing properties like women. Maybe she's born with it.
Maybe it's tomato soup.
Maybe it's tomato soup.
Oh, we also got ice cream today, and guess what flavor Freddy got? Not vanilla with rainbow sprinkles. He got 2 scoops of strawberry on a vanilla cone. Like me. I got mint chocolate chip, so nothing like him.
Mint chocolate chip is disgusting, by the way. I wanted to break up. I want to break up with you every time you buy it.
Now you're gonna start a whole thing like pineapples on pizza. That's
No, pineapple on
no
pizza
one
is
needs
good.
to
You
start
got
that
sweet
debate.
and savory.
Everyone likes mint chocolate chip except for you.
Mint chocolate chip
You're
tastes
lying
like
if
it
you
should be
don't.
going up someone's ass to like refresh it.
What do you put up your ass to refresh your ass?
And that's what I'm saying. Mint chocolate chip seems like an enema. It doesn't seem like
No,
an ice
it
cream
does
flavor.
not. It's delicious. It's objectively the best.
Definitely not
Ice
the
cream
best.
flavor.
Don't. It ain't even top 10. So first of all,
Definitely top 10.
it ain't top 10.
Maybe
Mint
top
chocolate
20.
chip.
I'm just kidding.
I'll give it top
It's my
15.
top 3.
Wow.
Part of that's because I'm gluten free.
Yeah, you can't do anything interesting.
What are you trying to say?
Your diet, you just have a restricted diet. There was no zinger there.
Okay, it felt like it was.
No.
Mint chocolate chip, I do have to say.
The what?
The best. Mint chocolate chip is the best.
Nah, just get me vanilla ice cream with lots of rainbow sprinkles.
You just had strawberry and we're dying over it.
Yes, but you gotta keep it simple with the ice creams, man. Stone Cold done fucked everybody up and gave them hedonistic ice cream fantasies.
Hedonistic.
Hedonistic, yeah.
Why
Cold
did
Stone ice
you
cream
feel
is
the
hedonistic.
need? Why did you feel the need to use that word?
Because that was the perfect explanation for what Cold Stone is. They're smashing things into your fucking ice cream. And really all you need is a
Hedonistic.
couple scoops. Vanilla,
Hedonistic
chocolate,
sounds exhausting.
strawberry.
Like,
Those are the only 3. That's
You're
it.
exhausting right now.
That's it. I mean, I'll make room for like a funfetti or like a cookie dough type thing. But
You also just said salted caramel was where it's at as well.
yes, salted caramel.
So now you're on 6 flavors. You just told us to keep it simple, and now you have 7.
Well, the list
there's 15.
the list is now evolving since I
Oh.
did it. So that's what I'm about. It's growth and evolution. So even my ice cream list evolutes.
Is it gonna evolve to mint chocolate chip?
I try it. I try it every time because my grandmother always said, "Don't knock it till you try it 8 times." And I'm on number 7 right now with mint chocolate chip. So we got one more mint chocolate chip.
Definitely
taste.
tried it more than once a year for 8 years.
No, I've tried it. I tried it like 7 times in the last year.
Yeah. What about the 7 times before that?
I didn't try it 7 times.
You definitely
You're lying.
You definitely have. We've been dating for 8 years. You definitely tried mint chocolate
No.
chip before this year.
Nope.
100%. There's no way we would have gone through 7 years of our relationship and not tried my favorite ice cream.
You know what?
You're so quiet because you never do.
I think I did one like 7
Do you have
years
a tally?
ago. One like 7 years ago, and then I did 6 recently. So I'm at 7.
Just lying. Fake news. Bye.